We are ready to go. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're headed to Montana. Can't wait to get out there. Oh, it's been a nightmare trying to get everything ready. I think I have everything though. Let's get on the road. I got the essentials, my archery license and toilet paper. The two most essential things besides obviously the elk combination license and my bow. Let's get out of here. Here is where we're gonna camp for the next, well, 2 weeks, I guess. It's like, what is it, 10 o'clock? Yeah, we made pretty good time. So we're gonna set camp up, get everything ready, and then we might go hunting yet. We'll see. Day one, guys. So stoked to be here. It's actually kind of warm, but got a little breeze blowing. And the next week is supposed to be beautiful. So we're gonna go back and do a little bit of scouting, and we're gonna go back to the wallow where my cousin Dalton shot his elk 2 years ago when we were here, and see if that's still being worked, because that might be something that we go sit again. It'd be crazy to shoot another bull off of there, but it's not impossible. Well, we're about 3/4 of the way in, and found this. I think this is an elk track, I'm pretty sure. Probably a cow, but we have human tracks too. It's not good. Probably just weekend people, but hopefully everybody clears out. There's 2 trucks out by the trailhead. We got back in here, and we're not the whole way back there, but it's up here, just not sure how far. The wind is pretty strong, just straight ahead. I don't want to go any farther. Sucks because I want to go check that out, but hopefully, I mean, there's a lot of elk sign coming in here, so it might be good back there. But I think we're gonna head out and figure out something else. Oh, well guys, I just went through a whole scenario of what we're doing right now, and I forgot to turn the mic on, so I'm gonna have to do it all over again. Basically, we're sitting on top of a mountain. We can see a lot of area here. Most of it's private, honestly. But I mean, it's right. It's just a small chunk of private in the public land. So hopefully we see something. We haven't seen anything all day besides a black bear. We actually saw a black bear. We saw a black bear. Finally spotted an elk. I'm so excited. I think it's just a cow. It's so far out there. I don't know. It's on the private land. I'm gonna bet that they're betting on that private land. Just spotted some more. There. See 2 of them right now. Well, day 2, guys. Things didn't go as planned from last night. We had 2 guys. They were parked down here all day. They came by and we were talking to them for a while, and turned out they were going to go to the spot that we were planning to go to this morning, and they were leaving right after this morning. So I was just like, well, we'll just not go there. We got 2 weeks, so we didn't go. We just slept in. We needed it. We were pretty tired from that trip, so I don't regret it. But we're going to try to get back to that wallow again today. This time we might take tree stands. Just take them with, because if the wind's right, I want to sit it right away. It's been pretty warm midday. Mornings and evenings are freezing cold, but then during the day it heats up pretty good. And I think it could be good sitting over water. So that's the plan. Right now we're gonna get a little fire going if we can. Maybe get something to eat. Well, it's like 11:30 right now, and we're gonna try to sneak back to that wallow again The wind is supposed to be good, but it's down in the bottom, so it's like you can't really tell until you get there. So we're gonna take tree stands, everything, just if it's good we'll set up. If it's not, probably just back out and go another time. We're just gonna keep trying it until we get a good wind. Got the tree stand set up. I've always wanted to bring a tree stand in here ever since I found it. So we're gonna set this for the afternoon. The wallow is tore up, so it should be good. Well guys, we made the decision that we're just gonna get out of here because that wind is just, it keeps swirling and blowing right towards the wallow. So it's only day 2, we're not gonna risk blowing it out, so we're gonna get out of here, probably go do a hike. Okay, we're gonna head up onto the mountain and see if we can stir something up, probably into the evening. It's kind of like, it's a big loop up kind of behind where the wallow is, and I know there's elk in there. We just gotta stir them up. No. There's nothing here. No.
Liar.
Kidding. Dude, this is sweet.
I think is he in the gravel?
Pretty good bowl too, I think.
Is he in the rocks?
Guys, we just spotted a bull. He's way down in the canyon. I don't know, I have never spotted a bull just like out here in the national forest, just seen a bull. I mean, we shot the one 2 years ago in the national forest, but it was over a wallow and we just knew they were coming in there, so we sat it. But I've never like glassed up a bull, so first one. This is awesome. Yes! We might have to go after him today. There's no way we're getting down there. Not from here. We'd have to come up the valley or something. Well guys, so we're back at camp. So we spotted that bull. I think we're probably gonna go after him tomorrow morning. We were planning on doing something else, but we saw him there and I think we should move right away. So I would have gone after him tonight, but there was no way we were getting down there. Like, I mean, it was just a complete drop off canyon. We'd have to go the whole way around to get to him, so. But it shouldn't be too hard to get to him in the morning, so. It's the plan, get up really early, get in there. I've never been in there, but I think it's pretty basic to get in there, so that's what we're gonna do. Get something to eat right now. It's another awesome day, but we hiked in here to where we saw that bull last night. He was right up on the hill here, but I mean, I didn't expect him to be in the same spot, but it's really hard to know where he's at. There's so much woods and he's just quiet. We have not heard, well, we thought we heard maybe one bugle way back on the trail, like way up on the mountain. Maybe he moved. I didn't think he'd move that far, but it's hard to know. Guess we just keep trying until something goes right. Well, we got out of there, guys. We didn't see anything this morning, but I don't know. They were in there last night. I didn't think they'd go that far, but and they might still be in there. There's so much woods. It's really tough. We really should have been up on top, but we're gonna probably go to the top and maybe try bugling a little bit, see if we can get them to bugle. Then we're gonna run into town and see where it goes from there.
Well, let's hit the road.
gonna be the one.
Yep.
That was another bow hike. Man, I don't know, we just had to try it. I'm glad we did, but got up on top of where he was last night and there was nothing. It was dead. I don't know if, I'm sure there's gotta be elk in there. I mean, we saw a cow last night too. There's probably more. That was just the ones that came out in the little clearings. They've gotta be in there somewhere, but it's really hard to find them when they're not talking, especially when you don't have a lot of areas to like spot them in. So we're gonna run in town, get something to eat, and come back and figure out what we're gonna do. But it's only day 3, I guess. Got plenty of time. Things should only get better, so. We're gonna head up to where we spotted that bull last night. See if we can see him again tonight. Just kind of figure out some better options for killing him, because when we were down there this morning there wasn't a lot of good ones. It's very, very steep country. I don't know, we'll see what we find. Guys, we have a bull bugling right down, I mean in the drainage we were in this morning, and we even came up there on top. He's kind of like up on top more. Hopefully it's not another hunter. That would suck. Okay guys, we got elk on the hill up there, and it's not terrible hard to get up there. We got about, what, 3 hours till dark?
Yeah.
So we're gonna bail off this mountain the opposite direction to our truck, and we can drive the whole way up there, just over the hill to where a non-motorized road is that goes up there, and we're gonna hike up there as fast as we can. I think there might be several bulls screaming up there, so that's a big bull.
That is.
You hear the rasp in that thing? That's not him.
Okay, well, let's get going. We need to beat it over there. Hopefully it's not this thick further down. He's right down there. Oh, this would be about the perfect setup right here. I gotta go. Let's do that.
think it hit that branch, didn't it? Or what happened?
It definitely hit a branch.
I don't know what happened. I have no idea what. Oh my goodness.
That is the biggest blow I've ever seen in my life. I see him. He's down there.
Bro, my thing locked up.
Oh my goodness.
I thought it was something with a bow, but I didn't know what. It's like, what is against me right now?
I don't know.
I cannot get it done. That was like the best opportunity I've ever had.
I see him down there, but
He ain't coming back.
he ain't coming back.
And my thing's locked up anyway. I don't know.
Don't move, he's looking at us.
I mean, that's blatant. I just shot it today.
Oh man.
That was perfect. He would have been dead. He would have been a dead bull.
My goodness.
40 yards. That's what I had him. Just shot this thing today.
How
And it worked flawlessly. I wonder if they have an archery shop around here. Probably not. Of all times for this blasted thing to lock up. You ever see a grown man cry?
Of all the times, right then.
Bro, that was perfect.
It was a dead bull.
That was so perfect. Honestly, he's not super spooked.
He's not. He doesn't really know what happened. He doesn't know we're humans.
No, he had no idea.
If he knew we were humans, he'd have been out of here so much faster than he went.
Let's get out of here.
Let's do it. Well guys, this just happened. We had heard some grinding down underneath the truck, and anyway, this is what it is.
Oh my goodness.
The gas tank literally is hanging.
The bracket that holds the gas tank right here just busted. The bolt busted on the one side, and what was scraping was this thing was scraping. Like every time this would go over a bump, it would like rub against the drive shaft. I don't know what would have happened if this thing would have just fell off.
Yeah, it could have been bad. We could have gone up into flames.
I don't know if that would happen.
I don't know, that probably wouldn't have happened.
So now I'm going to try to ratchet strap it back up, and we'll limp into town tomorrow and take it to a mechanic shop and see if they can get something fixed up.
Of my short 17-year-old life, that is one of the best experiences I've ever had.
I think you're hooked.
I'm hooked on coming on these trips anyway. I don't know about actually hunting because I'd be scared I'd mess up on it. Actually being able to pull a bow back and fire it into a live elk that is larger than I am, I don't know if that would be possible.
Making everything come together is just...
Oh, it's so hard.
It
But
is
it was
so
so
ridiculous.
fun though.
Another beautiful morning in Montana. It's been amazing weather. Had like some things of water froze over this morning, so it was cold last night. We're gonna head into town and see if we can find an archery shop and get them to fix my rest. I think I figured out what's wrong with it. I never even thought about checking the string for my drop away rest, but it was so frayed. I opened up the housing or whatever, and it's like the string is so frayed. I don't know, it's possible just because I shot it just that day, just yesterday, and it shot fine, but we ran down the mountain. It's possible that it hooked on something and just yanked it enough to where it loosened it up where it doesn't want to release. I have D-loop string that I was going to try to replace it with, but I'm just going to let the professionals do it and make sure it's done right, and we'll get back at it probably tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. We might even be back tonight, I don't know. That's That's what this day looks like. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. I know I had an awesome time out there, and that encounter was incredible, to be honest. I mean, first time calling in an elk like that, and it was insane for me. I mean, the adrenaline of having an elk right there. He was at 25 yards at one point and just bugling in your face. It was crazy. I think about that encounter every single day, and that was an awesome bull. Just crazy bad luck how it turned out, but it was awesome to have that experience and just to be able to look back at that and look back at the video. It's pretty incredible. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's just the first part, and I will be uploading the other part here soon, hopefully, to finish the hunt out. So be sure to look for that, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. You'll be seeing more content from us shortly. Along with the rest of the elk hunt, I'm going to be posting a video about the giveaway we're going to be doing with the Vortex rangefinder that I used on my hunt that we're going to be giving away, and also a Havalon knife that I used out there too. So we will see you guys on the next video.